Industry leaders will share their successful stories in regards of the transformation journey with us now, and will share their key lessons learned for other manufacturers to follow along. Please welcome with a big round of applause our on stage now, Karmjeet Singh Sehmi. How are things for you? How has it been so far at the fair?
It's been really nice, very enlightening. I've seen like so many things here, so many amazing technologies, so many things that I can implement in my machineries, and amazing experience.
Wonderful. You weren't trying to improve an existing machine, you were trying to beat global benchmarks even. What convinced you that the traditional machine design and automation approaches wouldn't get you there?
So as you said, we were not trying to build an existing machine. We were trying to improve something. So the vision we had in mind, that requires very precise tools, very complex technology. Since what we are building, you need a very high technology for that. So I'll give you a little brief of what my machinery was. Basically, we made a machine to cut stone using a very fine wire. The wire is just 0.5 mm in thickness. It's a 30-kilometer long wire, and it's running at around 30 meters per second, very fast. So at that level since the wire is very fragile, very easy to snap, see, you need very precise and very complex machinery as well as technology to control something like that. So yes, we built it because of Siemens, because of the collaboration. We built it from the base, and how it went.
I mean, it sounds really, if I think of thin hair, that's probably the thickness of the wire you're using to cut stone.
Yes.
Amazing. Now, let's move on. Now, go on the shift to talk about how you changed from traditional to the new technology. Your story shows how mechanical design, also motion control, and also digital transparency had to work as one central system. How did the digital first approach change the way you engineer, validate, and also scale the machines compared to earlier generations?
So as I told you, we need very specialized tools for making something like this. Few years ago, it was not even possible to make something so technologically advanced. Now this machine requires so many servo motors working together, around 11 motors, very highly compatible to each other, very precisely working with each other. As I told you, the wire is so fragile, you can actually break the wire with your hands. And imagine something so fragile cutting a huge marble block at a speed of around 300 mm an hour. That's very fast. Okay?
It's like the blink of an eyelash.
Yeah. So when you make something like that, you cannot go with the traditional technology. You have to upscale, you have to improve, you have to use best tools available in the market, and that's what we do.
Great. I mean, it's amazing what technology can do and how far you have improved. In regards of the impact, how has that digital foundation translated into customer confidence and market acceptance, especially when we think about competing with imported machines?
So basically, in my field, customer satisfaction is a must. So I will tell you 3 basic points which help us with the customer satisfaction. First, using a very well-known product, Siemens. So already, because it has very nice, very good reputation in the market, using a product like that in our machineries give us a very positive edge. Now, other than that, since we are using such a high-level product, we made our system in a way that it is very easy and compatible and for even a low-scale worker to use. Since I'll explain you a little bit about the industry. The industry is full of very medium-scale to low-scale operators. So tailoring something for someone like that, we required very simple system. We cannot have too much complexity. So because of using such tools, because we made a very simplified system which can be very easy to operate, and even we are trying to improve it. That's the next point. Basically, because of this exhibition, everything here, I'm actually looking for very good technologies, and it's been very insightful and very amazing, so that I'm trying to improve it even further. That's my basically mechanical thinking, like keep on improving my products. So yes.
I mean, if you're looking for new technology, this is definitely the place to be here. So you will get lots of inspiration here. Now, Karam, one more question in regards of the future projects and the outlook. What does your journey say about the future of Indian engineering and manufacturing on a global scale?
So basically, there's been a little shift in Indian technology in this regard. A lot of young entrepreneurs, they are staying in the country and trying to improve many things there, and also moving from traditional technologies to very more adaptive, very fast increasing, progressive ways. So all this when unified together, it does show a very steady growth, and hopefully sooner or later we'll be able to just not be the like increasing like steadily. We might be at that level to compete with the global market at like in a very close fight.
It sounds pretty much that you have a clear vision of how to achieve that. So all the best of luck on your further journey with this project. Now, from your perspective as customers from Siemens, what differentiates Siemens in your transformation journey compared to other technology partners you work with?
As you said, compare with the other competitors of Siemens. See, technology other competitors also have. Maybe not as good as Siemens, but they have something. For me, what stand out the most is the service. See, I was first and part of all the process of building my product, because I was in the manufacturing there myself. So those multiple months, they've been so etched into my mind. So we worked so hard, me, my team, Siemens, their whole team. So we built the whole product like a family, and there's something that not everyone can replicate. No matter how great technology they have, but there's something only those who care about their products, who care about their customers, only they can achieve. So yes, for me, more than technology, I'm so much in favor with the service and even the after sales service you guys provide. So even in the after sales service, I can just call the whole team. It doesn't matter the time, anything. They put their whole effort, faith, everything into it, and give me the best results possible. So that's why this is the only reason I'm here, just for them, because they provided me so much. So this is something I can do for them.
I can literally feel the heartbeat for those colleagues there. Thank you so much for that great feedback. This is awesome.